Reload!
What's up guys, so I'm gonna test the Shadow Company mod.
Reloading!
I don't know what is this blood. Just the Carabiner 98K. So this is the rifle. This is a rifle sniper, I think. Yeah, rifle. You can see in here. This is scope. See? You can do attachments. You can do attachments using this blueprint. Attachment blueprint. You can get this attachment blueprint by opening some loot box. See? I don't know why it's not working on me, but sometimes it works for me. Yeah, you can do this attachment, but you need a lot of levels for you to complete all the attachments. I think 500 plus XPs. You can do a slide using, when you sprint, use this bullet button. You see, and use slide. I don't know what's this blood. It's bothering me. Okay, next, let me show you the loot boxes. There, you can see this different loot box anywhere, and it can give you different loots, which is you can get the attachment blueprint, some XP bottles for you to use for yourself, and some irons for you to craft some weapons or guns, and some armored plates that can be used if you use some heavy body armor. Yeah, sometimes it drops. Yeah, sometimes it drops netherite scraps and diamonds. Yeah, sometimes. And you can get some guns here. You're on survival. See? it's kind of pricey. Yeah. For you to craft some munition box, which is box that will give you, wait, let me show you. Box that will give you these grenades and ammo for your guns. See. It gives ammo. See? And for you to craft that, you need for you to craft that, you need this, any type of bullet you want, or any type of bullet that is suitable for a gun, and craft it like this. Then after craft it like that, craft it like this. After that, after you craft this small ammo box, next you craft this ammo box using 8 small ammo box and 1 piece of iron block. Then all you need to craft munition box is ammo box, 8 pieces of ammo box, and a block of iron in the middle. Or simply you can get some munition box in a loot box. There. Oh. Yeah. And that's all. Thank you. Hope you like it. That's all already. Hopefully you like it. Bye.